Okay, see, this data, logos, plugins, everything will be migrated to my application 1220. So if I open applications, so here access attachment, also attachments is there. So if I, all projects will become here. If I open any cogs or something projects, so all the issue types, this all will be comes to here. So this fourth step is done. This migrate, this moving as well is done. This is the fourth step. And what is the fifth step? We need to open, go to open stage instance, like this instance, and import the data. So how we need to import the data? So I need to open this one. So this is the method. So open. How we need to restore this? Comes to here and click on system. If you click on the systems, and if it comes to here, we have like restore system option. Restore system means from import folder we have restoring this backup. So what is the backup name? Migration.zip. So don't forget to enter this zip and enter license if required. So the license will get it from here. They are copy this. Paste in this place and migration.zip. Outgoing email enable disable restore. So once the data is restored, okay, might be before my 8080 user credential is different, 1220 is different. So once we are migrating, once we are importing this data to here, to open stage instant and import the data. And with help of this 8080 username and password will be work here. Because of this is copy of this this instant will copy of this instant, like user management also will be comes from here. So this all data will be lost. We don't have any, suppose previous if I'm having any projects in here, so that all projects I'll lost it because of when we are migrating this, the data will not copy it. The data will be overrated with with latest data. So previous if I have any data, any projects in 1220, that data will be lost. Okay, so only these, I mean these data only will be comes to here. So in case suppose in previous in a 1220 I have a 5 projects. Here I have a 85 projects. So in here I want the 5 projects and 85 project, total 90 projects I have here. I want here. So in this case, how we need to do that? So first that 5 project we need to, like that is a project migrations. So it is next class we'll discuss it only project migrations. First that 5 projects will move to this production version or something. Then when it is moved to here, here it will becomes to 90 projects. Then again this 90 projects we need to move to this target instant. This is options. Okay, or else we'll take complete backup of that 5 projects. And once we take backup and we'll restore that data to here. Once we restore that data, that complete project import option also we have. That project import through that project import option. So if you comes to here down, same things, like we have a project import option is there. So from there we can, from that backup, so we can able to import that projects only, project wise. If it is a 5 project is fine, but if it is a more project is there, so that is a little bit headache. So it is a 5 projects, 85 project is fine. But in suppose in 1220 I have 50 projects, there also 50 projects. to migrating these projects, 50 projects like that is little bit big, but we need to do that way only. So we don't have any options. We need to take that backup. Once we are migrating the data, we need to import project wise.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ ని ఒక సేమ్ మైగ్రేషన్ అంటే ఒక దాంట్లోకి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఆ రెండింటిని కలిపి సేమ్ డైరెక్ట్ మైగ్రేషన్ చేస్తాం.
yes right. So once data is importing, so we need to log in and we need to do post checks like same thing like integrated checker, post requirement line, integrated check, troubleshoot performance, and indexing. This performance we need to do it. So then only the Jira will be work fine. It's importing 96%.
హలో నాగరాజ్, యాక్చువల్లీ ఇప్పుడు మనం అవతార్స్ లోగోస్ అవన్నీ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసిన కాపీ చేసినాం కదా, అప్పుడు కూడా ఓవర్ రైడ్ అయిపోతుంది లేకపోతే అంటే వేరే అవి ఇవి రెండు ఉంటాయి?
అది 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఓవర్ రైడ్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. నువ్వు కాపీ తీసుకుంటే ఓన్లీ కాపీ అవుతాయి. నేను ఓవర్ రైడ్ చేశాను. లాస్ట్‌లో నేను కాపీ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది, లాస్ట్ రీప్లేస్ దిస్ ఫైల్
ఆ!
అండ్ కాపీ దిస్ ఫైల్ అని వచ్చింది. సో నేను
ఓకే.
రీప్లేస్ కొట్టాను.
ఆ!
సో రీప్లేస్ నువ్వు రీప్లేస్ కొట్టినా గూడా, ఐ మీన్ నా రీప్లేస్ అంటే కాపీ పెట్టినా గూడా, సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు డేటాలో అటాచ్‌మెంట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అక్కడ అన్నిట్లో నువ్వు సేమ్ ఈ అటాచ్‌మెంట్స్ కూడా కాపీ చేసినప్పుడు 2
హ్మ్.
ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నీ. బట్ మనకు
ఓకే.
డేటా అనేది రాదు కదా! అసల రావాల్సింది ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇష్యూస్ అండ్ అవే. నువ్వు ఇంపోర్ట్
అవును.
చేసినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ లేటెస్ట్ డేటాతోని ఓవర్ రైడ్ అయిపోతది జీరా. కాపీ ఆప్షన్ లేదు.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఐ మీన్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం అనుకో, అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ సేమ్ అటాచ్‌మెంట్స్, లోగోస్ మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలా?
సామ్ ప్రాసెస్‌లు ఉండాలి. అవన్నీ ఉండాలి. సో
ఓకే.
అటాచ్‌మెంట్స్ లోగోతో అన్ని బ్యాకప్ తీసుకోవాలి. అవన్నీ కాపీ ఉండాలి. అండ్ అప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మైగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి. సో అది ఆప్షన్స్. లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఓన్లీ 1 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మైగ్రేషన్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెస్‌లో ఓన్లీ 1 ప్రాజెక్ట్ మైగ్రేషన్ ఉంటది.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. 1 ప్రాజెక్ట్ మైగ్రేషన్ తర్వాత క్లౌడ్ మైగ్రేషన్ టు సర్వర్, సర్వర్ మైగ్రేషన్ టు క్లౌడ్ ఇలా.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఓకే. Yeah, it will take some time. Okay, so once it is done, so it will becomes to login option. So we need to log in through 8080 credential. So previous what we are using here, so that credential I need to enter here. I think that Sai Krishna, Sai, చే చేద్దాం. ఓకే 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 ఫైన్ 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 ఫైన్. See here, like the data completely comes to 1220. So have these all projects, all logos and attachments, everything will be comes to here. But it is asking like Jira base URL is a localhost 8080, but you are accessing Jira from 1220. So this is the from data it will be stored this one as well. So we need to change this from like system. So this will be comes to there. So it is a 8080 is there. So just we need to edit this, edit settings, and from edit setting we can able to change this. It is a 1220. So from data it is coming that options you can able to change that, no issues that. See now the complete the data migrated from this version 8080 to same things. This logo previous this logo is not there here, that project also is not there. So now it is completely comes to here. And this gadget cannot be displayed in your dashboard. You could license problem, you can copy your gadget here. So I think we have some license problem here. The same licenses we need to copy from this version to here version. So like I'm using two different versions, so that's why it is not showing. So in a organizations level, every time, so what they're using production, the same they will use into stage purpose as well. So the same things they will upgrade it here, so they will paste it that same licenses here. So what they're using there, so previous as well, they're maintaining the same things only, so that in organization level will not get this problem. So once it is done, we need to do it like that integrity checker indexing, same thing. So that we need to check the system properties files as well. So everything it is migrated correctly or not. So issues, if I'm checking issue statistics here, so what options I have here? So like how many issues, how many projects I have. So everything should be same here as well. So then only, so we need to know, we have to clarify something like all things will go migrated to here. So what attachments I have here, comments like custom fields, groups, and everything should be same match to here as well. Okay, the system info. What's it happening?
Sir, in
Yeah.
80, yeah, in 8080, what would be there, sir? Now,
What would be there means what? This is my project issues is there, right?
I mean, there. Okay, same thing. It is like copy only, right? Or else
It's
everything
copy
will
only.
be.
The same will be available here and here as well. So just we are moving the data.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah. So say the data it be here and the same should be here, right? So just we are migrating data from production to stage. So in this case, the data is available here and the same data I'm moving to here as well. So that is
Okay, okay.
not yeah. So okay. So once the migrations, you need to do the integrity checker and troubleshoot and indexing, and then you have to sixth step you have to do like data statistic check. Whether all move or not. So I'm sending this to okay. Just try this today, and if you face any problem, any doubt, you can let me know. Okay. So this is the process. So here, see, I have the same 2006 attachments and components and projects. 85 projects should comes to here. See, 85 project. Okay, so previous in 8080 I have 85. The 85 all will be comes to here. That priorities, resolution. So every count will be exactly matched to here now. See, 26,086 something. So 84324 like comments. So 84324 comments and custom field 506, custom field 506, group 46 and group 46. So everything will be comes to same here, right? So this is the migrations. And Naresh, పోతున్నా వెళ్దా బైక్ వేసుకొని వెళ్తున్నా. సరే సరే ఓకే. Okay guys, bye. So I have some meetings.